How to mute and unmute Facebook stories. So if you want to mute and unmute Facebook stories, then you have to first open up your Facebook application. And after opening, here you have your stories on the first page. So now if you want to mute a story, then you have to simply hold to the story, like simply tap on the story for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you will have two options on the bottom of your screen. You can simply tap on mute, and here you will have three options. You can simply mute the story for 24 hours or for 1 week or until you unmute it. So you can simply choose any one option, and then you have to tap on mute. So that's the way to mute someone's story. And if you want to unmute the same story, then you can go to the upper right corner, which has a three-barred icon, and then scroll down and head over to settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you will have a settings option. Simply tap on settings, and here scroll down, and under the audience and visibility, you will have stories. Simply tap on stories, and here you can go to the last option, which says stories you muted. And here you can see the stories that you have muted, so you can simply tap on unmute, which is on the right side. And that's it. That's how you mute and unmute Facebook stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.